Hello everyone, welcome to Innovate Code Hub YouTube channel. I am Damit. Today I am gonna explain about Java variables and data types. I will explain one by one. First thing I am gonna explain about data types. I have an image which is demonstrate about what are the data types and categories in Java. When it comes to data type, we can define main two category like primitive, non-primitive. Inside these main categories, we can define for the subcategories like when it comes to primitive, we can again define boolean and numeric. Again numeric we can categorize like character and integer. Integer again we can categorize fixed value and floating point numbers. Non-primitive non-primitive data type demonstrate about reference data type like string arrays. I will explain one by one using my code base. I have created a main class Java tutorial, and there is another class variable explanation. I will first thing I will explain what are the data types and how to use that. I have create separate variables in my main class. Under main class, uh, when we define data type variable in our system, we have to define what are the data type which is going to apply that variable. Like this int age 20 equal 25. Int is a data type, age is a variable, 25 is a literal value. Okay, when it comes to data type of age, we can define what is the data type which is going to be applied to particular variable. Okay, when it comes to my explanation, you can see there are multiple data types I have defined in this class. Like I need to, if I need to uh, initialize my price value, I can use double data type, as well as according to my purpose I can use what are the data type in my variable. Okay, I will explain about what are the variable in Java. When it comes to variable, we can define main three category: local variable and instance variable and static variable. I will explain one by one. I have created another class to explain that. I have defined multiple variable inside the class. I will First thing I will explain what is the static variable in the class. When it comes to static variable is a class level variable. Instance variable is a global variable, and local variable only inside the method. Okay, I will explain one by one. I have created separate two objects in my main class, which is related to variable explanation class, variable 1 and variable 2. I will explain using output of these s out. I will explain one by one. Total count is a static variable. This is a class level variable. When I call one time total count, it will be increase. Okay, like initial value is total count is a 0. When I call from my main class using variable 1 value, total count is a 1. This is a this is a static variable. Again, I when I create a object uh, from variable explanation class, initial value has been increased to 1 because of I have initialized one object first. That's why total total count variable static variable value has been increased to 1. Again, when I create another class using variable explanation uh, subclass, uh, again increase static variable count as to 2. When I create another object using variable explanation class, it should be 3 because of it. Total count variable is a static variable which is represent class level variable. But when I declare low instance variable only is impacted to the instance level, not a class level. When I create an object using variable explanation class, variable one related number of books value 16. When I create another object using variable explanation class, that object belongs number of book value will be 16. Again, if I create another class, another object using variable explanation class, it will be 16. It means when we define instance variable in our class, it only affected to the instance wise, not a class level variable. It can be accessed anywhere, but uh, we can't we can't access updated value uh, inside the object. We can only access what is the value it is specific to the object. Okay, I am going to explain final variable type. It's local variable we can define inside the method. As an example, um, I have defined update book method. Inside the update book method int, I have declared local variable int a equal 10. This int a equal 10 I can't access from another method. The reason it is only access inside the particular method. You can see there is an error. A variable a, you can see the error. A is a local variable. I can't access a from another method. That's the reason. uh, According to my explanation, you there are three types which are related to variable in Java. First is static variable, other one is instance, and uh, other one is local variable. I hope to you guys can understand what are the data types and variables in Java. I hope to explain more concept which is related to Java in the future video. See you on next video. Thanks for watching.